In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok 3 to code TradingView indicators. We'll start by opening a browser and searching for Grok AI. Click through to the official site so you're working in the right place. Once you're in, switch to the expert mode. This setting helps the model produce cleaner, more technical answers, which is exactly what you want when you're generating Pine script for TradingView. In the chat box, type a clear prompt describing the indicator you want. Be specific about the goal, like spotting trend reversals or momentum shifts. Mention the time frame you typically use, the signals you expect, and any inputs you want adjustable, such as lengths, thresholds, or smoothing options. It also helps to ask for PineScript v5 and to include plots and optional alerts. The more precise your instructions, the less cleanup you'll have later. Submit your prompt and give Grok a moment to generate the code. When the result appears, scan it quickly. Look for a proper version line, an indicator declaration with a title, and plots that make sense for your use case. If the model provides an explanation above the code, that's helpful context, but what you need is the complete script block. When you're satisfied, click Copy to grab the code to your clipboard. Now head to TradingView and open a chart. Go to the scripts area, often labeled Pine Editor at the bottom. Click into the editor pane and paste the code you copied. At this point, you haven't changed your chart yet. You've just loaded the script into the editor. To run it, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the script, and if everything is valid, your indicator will appear on the chart or in a separate pane below it, depending on how it was written. If you see compile errors, don't panic. Read the message in the console. It usually points to a line number or a missing input. Copy that error back to Grok, ask it to fix the issue, and replace the code in the editor with the updated version. Then click Add to Chart again. Once it's on the chart, open the Inputs panel to tweak settings and confirm the plots and signals behave as intended. That's the full workflow. Search for Grok AI, open the site in expert mode, craft a precise prompt, submit and copy the generated code, paste it into TradingView's script editor, and add it to your chart. With a clear prompt and a quick review loop, you can go from idea to working indicator in minutes.